guys, today we are hiking down this trail. We are at a college too. It is a college trail. Watch out for that stuff on the way. And we are at the PS entrance on the map. Follow me. It should be kind of dark over here. If y'all want to turn up the light on your TV or your phone, whatever it is. I don't even think you can turn it up on the TV. But if you want to, that means it's going to be a little white. That's why we bring a first aid kit. Okay guys, this time, now we have the compass rose. Okay. So that was north, south, east, west. So we are going south. Hey guys, we are on the halfway point. You might think this video is really short, but it's long. Well, the video's short, but it took a long time to get all the way up here. Right, Daddy? Okay, see you at the end. Hey guys, this is not the end of the trail, but we just wanted to stop here because a few years ago, we actually explored this trail and there was a geocache. But apparently it's not there anymore. Let me just double check. Yep, it's not there anymore. But we will meet you at the end this time. Bye. Okay guys, we finally made it back to the end. Whew, that was a long trip and the oak tree did not have the geocache. It's kind of sad. But at least we made it to the end. Bye guys.